बाणावली दर्यादेगेवेले सँड ड्यून्स आसा तशें रिस्टोर करिनात तो मेरेन कसल्याच बांदकामाक लायसन्स दिवचें न्हू बाणावली बायोडायवर्सिटी कमिटीन मागला। दर्यादेगेर मोठ्या प्रमाणात रेंव काडून व्हेल्ल्याचे नदरेक आयला। रेवेचे दोंगर कातरप्याचेर गरज जाल्यार क्रिमिनल केस करतले आमदार वेंझी वियेगशान शिटकावणी दिल्या। ही खबर कळटकच बाणावली विलेज बायोडायवर्सिटी कमिटी बाणावलीचो आमदार कॅप्टन वेंझी वियेगशाक बरोबर घेवन थंय पावली। तांकां थंय रेंव माती पोखरिल्ल्याचे नदरेक आयले। दर्यादेगो नष्ट करपी ह्या बेकायदेशीर कामांचेर त्यांनी खर हरकत घेतल्या।
आमी हांगा बाणावले बिचीर आयिल्ले आसात आनी हांव बायोडायवर्सिटी ऑफ बेनावलीम चेअरमॅन अलॉंग विथ आर कमिटी तेच बरोबर आमचो MLA आमचे बरोबर आज हांगा आयल्यार कित्याक आमकां कळोन आयलें की कोणी तरी हांगा हे सँड ड्यून्स आहाय पळय ते कातून फ्लॅट केले म्हणून ते खातीर आज आमी इन्स्पेक्शन केलां आनी इन्स्पेक्शन करून दिसून येता की सगळी सँड ड्यून्स आहाय तितले कातरून ते हिंगा रेस्टॉरंट बांदपाक सोदताय ओक्कीत बांदपाक सोदताय ही आमकां अजून कांय म्हायती ना। आमची सूचना पंचायतीकूय की पंचायतीन हाका लायसन्स दिवची न्हू जो मेरेन हे सँड ड्यून्स पोतून रेस्टोर जात पसून। कारण आयज अशें जाल्लें आहा की वयत थिंगा सँड ड्यून्स लोक पेडे कोताय पंचायत लायसन्स दिता आनी बायोडायवर्सिटीचेर लोक मागीर कंप्लेन घाताय की तुमी कांय केलें ना म्हूण आमी आयज पयले येयले की हे लायसन्स दिवचे न्हू पयलीं वो हे रेस्टॉरंट तयार जावचे न्हू पयलें की हे रेस्टोरेशन जाले शिवाय हे सँड ड्यून्स पोतून रेस्टोर जाले शिवाय हेका लायसन्स दिवपाक जायना। आमचे कमिटी मेंबरूय सांगपाक आसता म्हाका क्लिंटन
the sand dunes are destroyed. That has already happened. So now we have to see how we can reclaim them by repairing whatever damage has been done, growing the material, the sand dune vegetation again. So this is a failure on many parts.
तुम्ही व्यवसाय करात अवश्य करात पण सैम नष्ट करून न्हू। आसा तशी सैम संपत जाग्यार घालात आणि मागीरच बांदकाम करात। तो मागीर गोंयकार आसूं वा गोंया भायलो आयकलो ना जाल्यार क्रिमिनल केस फायल करची पडटली वेंझीन सांगले।
बायोडायवर्सिटी चेअरमॅनान आज आखी टीम तेंगेली आज आमच्या ऑफिसां येवन वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट दिस इश्यू ऑफ दिस सँड ड्यून आणि वी ट्राय टू गेट इन टच विथ द ओनर। हाउएवर द ओनर डिड नॉट पिक अप द कॉल। I think the message is very clear. As a biodiversity committee and as a local representative, we will not tolerate this kind of nonsense. And our own Goans, if you all are going to do like this, then I think somewhere we being fellow Goans have to take a strong step against you all. This is a message for the owner of this property. My humble request is kindly let's restore this back. I don't know why you have done it, and if you all have not done it, then probably it is done by mistake, then it has to be restored. We will ensure that from our side we will go up to the authorities. The authorities also need to be sure that they support the biodiversity and all of us in this restoration process. As well as a criminal complaint has to be filed, which we will also do. And we have to ensure that till the time this is restored, as the biodiversity chairman also has said, till the time this is restored, the tourism department, all the departments should come together and ensure that this premises what they are trying to start here, business, should not start. Because you have damaged the environment and you want to start business. We are not against business at all. You do good business. We need to restore this. We will get all the authorities to function immediately so that this thing is restored. And the message should go that this kind of things will not be tolerated. Whether you are a Goan or whether you are a not Goan does not matter. You cannot damage these things, and once this is damaged, it becomes so difficult to restore. Manual restoration is a very tedious task, because we have seen how we have restored a sand dune in Varka, and after that entire process of restoration, it is of actually no use because the mud is loose when you try to restore it. So the entire process you need a full-fledged plan to do it. So we will go back to the biodiversity, we will go back to GCZMA, we will go back to the police station, and we will get all these things clubbed together and come up with a solution so that this person who has done it is accountable, and there is an answer to this, so that people do not take the biodiversity as well as the local MLA for granted.
GOA365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।